This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices, charge the meter and phone to at least 50%, and enable Bluetooth plus location services so the app can scan reliably. Once done, open the Fluke Connect app and sign in or create an account. This ties measurements to your profile. Now tap Add Device and put the Fluke meter into pairing mode. This is essential because the app discovers hardware only when it broadcasts. Make sure the live meter display shows pairing indicators before continuing. After the meter appears, select it and confirm any pairing PIN. This secures the link and prevents accidental connections. Next, choose the measurement type you need: volts, amps, ohms, or temperature, and either set a manual range or use auto-ranging to simplify readings. Once you see live data on screen, name the device clearly so future sessions are fast, and enable auto-sync plus cloud backup. This preserves logs and lets you compare historical measurements easily. You now capture and document. Press Capture for a snapshot or record to log a session. Add notes and photos to explain context because visual annotations help later. Make sure to tag location and equipment, then use Share to send images, PDF, or export CSV files for analysis. This speeds handoffs to colleagues. Finally, finalize the session by stopping recording and letting the app finish syncing. If things go wrong, restart the app, toggle Bluetooth, and repair the meter. That fixes most connectivity hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.